Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make slime shampoo, and we don't know if this works or not. So we just saw people using Jolie kits, but we don't have them in Cambodia. So we saw this 2-in-1 shampoo and this shampoo L'Oreal in our bathroom, and we said let's make some slime. So this is our first time trying to make slime. So
with soap.
With shampoo, so we wish this works. So the things you'll need is 2-in-1 shampoo, Jolie Kids works best, and any kind of shampoo. We're using L'Oreal.
And we need stick or
stick,
toothbrush.
No, stick or something to mix with. And we're using the end of the toothbrush and a toothpick. You'll need a bowl or a container. We're using 2 of these because what we are doing together. So which one you're choosing?
Big cup.
Which one? Okay, so
bigger is better.
let's pour our 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner in slowly.
Oh my god! Put it.
This is how it looks like. It's clear. Okay, so
should I clean it?
No, it's okay.
Wow, so soapy.
So now, we can show you how the consistency looks like. It's kind of slimy. You can see the consistency of the slime. Here.
So we need to mix it then.
So we're just gonna mix it to see what's gonna happen later, because it's so slick. The 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 works best to make slime. So now let's add our shampoo in. It's only a little bit less, like this much. We don't know. You add first. Okay, stop. Adding a little bit. There's nothing in here.
There's pink. Oh my god, you put so many.
Come on, mix.
Guys, don't get confused because at the left one is me, Twilight Twinkle, and the right one is Jolie Laura, my cousin.
Okay.
She not yet upload any video yet, so make sure you upload.
I'm gonna upload in your channel.
Okay. What?
So just kidding.
Here's what it looks like. We're gonna try.
I'm gonna add my shampoo. Maybe only a little bit. Oh my god, we didn't fart, okay? It was a shampoo.
Yeah, it was a shampoo. Don't think we're farting, because we're not.
Girls never fart. But some people do.
Yeah.
But not us.
Hey, we also.
No, we don't. You do.
No, we don't. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys a slime that we buy it, not like.
Yeah, I should go get it.
Okay, so they can see you.
I'm escaping as fast as I can. Okay, wait.
Oh my god. Okay, come back. I'll shield. Over here. Shielding. Jolie, don't show like that.
Okay, it's barrel old slime, and people used to play with it, but we don't like it very much because of the smell and
Oh my
how it reacts. Oh my god, this is how the slime looks like. It's not real slime. You can shape it.
It is a slime.
But it's fake. There's hair in it.
Hey Jolie,
Yeah?
go there because they can see your leg. So let's mix it.
I'm gonna make a circle.
Mix it until
It's the right consistency.
Okay.
Okay, there's a circle. The worst circle in the world. Okay, so let me show you.
Mix it faster, faster.
Why? Put it back in there.
Are we done yet? Because my hand is hurt.
If you want to, if it's the right consistency you like, Mine is still a little bit liquidy. I think I should put more shampoo.
Yeah, me too.
Put a little bit more.
Oh!
Why did you put yours in so much?
Guys, we're not farting. It's just a shampoo fault, okay? So don't judge us. We're not farting. It's this, the one who farts, not us.
And it smells really good. It's true.
It smells very good.
This smells bad, so
Yeah.
we warn you to not buy this. It smells really bad.
Yeah, because it's like toxic waste.
Can you see how slimy it is right now? Yeah.
Don't pour it. And when you're done, put it in the plastic bag to not
No.
let it dry.
Maybe you should put it in the fridge for maybe 15 minutes.
Oh, the fridge is next to us.
Oh yeah. So we can just relax for 15 minutes and then back to recording.
What?
That's such a waste of time.
"21 hours later." Are we done yet?
If you want to. It doesn't get like slimy at the first place, but if you keep mixing. Wait, can I see yours? You see mine. It's yours. Yours
You're
is
so
slimy.
pink. You're so pink.
You mix too much, it's so bubbly. Maybe you need
I think I have another one that I don't want to use. That one. What?
Okay, so we will put this in the fridge, and
Now?
maybe later when we're done mixing, and our part two will be we'll be posting it soon. Part 2.
Yeah. We'll wait until 15 minutes.
Until we post. Okay, so yours is like too bubbly, so I think we have to stop mixing for yours. But mine is not like yours at all. Mine is a little
Bubbles.
bit.
She is the joy of the life. Oh my god, it's slimy. Oh wow, bubble. Look at this.
Bubbles.
We're still watching the Powerpuff Girls.
Even though we are too young. I mean, too old to watch it. But we still watch it.
You're 9.
You're 10.
I'll do a face reveal soon.
Yeah, me too.
If I got 20 subscribers.
Or maybe 1,000. Wow. I would rather do 1,000.
No, 20. Or
20,000. Yeah.
no.
Okay, I
That's
think
more.
we should stop mixing now. But
Too
when we
much
touch
bubbles.
it, you can see it. It sticks to your hand. So maybe we're putting this in the freezer for 15 minutes. Okay, so
My hand smells good.
we'll see you in the next episode of this slime. So bye. See you in 15 minutes.